it's Mrs. Yuen again, and I'm coming to you with another brain break. Today's brain break is making your own puzzle. Now for this, you're going to need two things. You're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need some magazines. Here's what you do. You're going to take your magazines and you're going to look through them to find pictures that you like. Once you see a picture that you like, you're going to use your scissors and cut it out. Then, after you've cut out your picture, you're going to take your scissors again and you're going to cut your picture into different puzzle pieces. You can make them bigger or smaller, any sizes that you like, and then once you've cut the entire picture up, you've got puzzle pieces. And then you can put the pieces together to remake the picture all over again. You can do this by yourself, and you can do this with your family members. You can challenge each other to do each other's puzzles. You can do smaller pictures or bigger ones, whatever you like. Have fun with it. And there you have it, a way to make your very own puzzle. I hope you have fun with this, and if you do it, I want you to take a picture of your puzzle and send it to me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!